Here's your update. The cover I didn't show in the original video. Yo, we are tore apart. This ended up being not good. Hopefully I can fix it. We'll see. I don't know if it's going to be worth it or not. I haven't looked at parts to see what's available for this or not. But here we are. So obviously pulled the covers off, pulled the tines off. Mind you, all this came apart in about 45 minutes. So not bad. But disassembly or reassembly is obviously going to be a problem because a lot of it kind of fell apart on me. So when I cracked the case open, all this gunk fell out. It started draining water, which was probably the #1 culprit. So it sat out. The case filled up with water because it probably sat out in the rain or something, and everything got rusty. And it's hard to tell, but this is a chain, which is not in a loop anymore, so it's straight broken. I don't know if there's more to it somewhere, or if that's the whole chain, but yeah, so obviously everything got rusty and crusty, and luckily there's a lot of grease and lubrication in there, so I don't know yet, but if I clean up all these gears, hopefully everything's in good shape. Fingers crossed, is that, yeah, something like that. Yeah, but you can see this is the one half of the case here. Obviously that chain would have been going to the tines, so that one was working, so yay for it, but the rest of this looks horrible. Hopefully nothing else is broken besides that chain, and I can clean it up and put it back together. Yeah. You can see it's a little gross in there. A little gross. The hardest part is figuring out how all this goes exactly back together. Most of it, all the external stuff, I can do that. Motor, shield, tines. What am I missing? Oh, I guess there's the controls in the back. That's all real easy, real basic stuff. It's once I pulled this thing apart and like this thing fell out and these gears fell out. If I can get all this stuff back together, you know, there's like a random washer there. That's going to be the problem, is figuring out where all that stuff goes. But we'll try, and hopefully this thing's savable. If not, I pretty much paid $100 for a nice horizontal shaft motor. It's probably not even a nice motor. It's an Intech. I think that's a pretty basic motor, but yeah, well, I got a horizontal shaft motor for $100, so not a bad deal, even if this whole thing ends up being a turd. But I ain't mad, and we're gonna continue on.